Hello everyone, welcome to the Finland Academy and MTED software. In the series of Market Decoded, we will see how week was and what are the key levels for a coming week. So till now, from past 7 weeks, we are seeing some sorts of consolidation patch. On the higher side for 15,950, on the lower part 15,500 level. So this is a 400 to 500 point range we are seeing from past 7 weeks. In this week or a week on week basis, we can see that means market has declined on the negative note near about by the 0.5 percentage, because in this week if we see market has opened at a high level, it has formed the all-time high level, but thereafterwards we have seen some sorts of declining momentum, very severe declining momentum in the initial part of the week, and in the latter part of the week we have seen some sorts of recovery. Looking at the daily chart, we can understand that means there was an all-time high level, but all-time high level later on proved to be a bull trap, and we have seen the reactions on the downside. It is normally a one observed pattern in a very structurally strong stocks and moves, that whenever in a bullish trend any kind of the bull trap happens, it normally tests the lower band of the consolidation patch, and then afterwards again it picks up its momentum to chase its in a previous high levels, or to form the new highs in this particular case. So we have seen the same scenario over there. After the bull trap, it has tested the lower band, and we are seeing some sorts of recovery, and prices are picking up its momentum. But in a coming time, we can say that the underlying tone remains a sideways to positive, and short term view remains a positive as far as Nifty is sustaining about the 15,600 level. On the high side, the immediate reactions we can have at the 16,000 level, and mainly at a 16,200 level, which is what a Fibonacci extensions levels. In this week, from a sector perspective, if we have to see, we have seen the selling pressure in the banking stocks, media stocks. There was auto stocks. There was some sorts of selling pressure witnessed. And as far as the outperformance concerns, the IT stocks, FMCG stocks, and reality stocks has did quite well. We have seen some sorts of nervousness into the banking stocks. A banking stock which has a good amount of the weightage into the broader market, but due to that declining momentum, banking stock has come to the very good level. So if we pay attention on the Nifty Bank level, so here we can understand the prices, whatever the reactions that banking stock has witnessed, it has come down to the support band. So let's say this is what my previous turning point. So if we draw the support band over here, so with the short-term weakness, prices has come down to the support band. It is trying to pick up its moment to the high side. So maybe next week we can see some kind of tractions from the banking stock as well. Overall view remains in a positive for the market as far as the 15,600 level is concerned. On the high side, 16,200 is the ultimate level, and coming time the bank Nifty may contribute its momentum on the higher side. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.